Do you ever wonder why a customer hasn't returned after you fixed their car? Or wish you knew what service to offer them at just the right time? Well, those days are gone. Now, as a connected repair shop, you can make a direct connection with any customer that has a connected car. With shared information about mileage and engine status, you can send them a reminder when it's time for an oil change or other maintenance. You'll also have online access to error codes, so you and your customer can save time by planning the repair before they arrive. When they have mechanical issues, they simply request an appointment from the mobile app for you to confirm or offer available times. This makes your customers happy, and happy customers bring more customers. With Net4Things Connected Solution, your customers can request estimates for repairs, make appointments, and pay instantly from the mobile app. You can connect with them using personalized marketing campaigns to offer special discounts and earn their loyalty. Watch your business grow with Net4Things Connected Repairs.